and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So, have you ever heard of a tortilla crepe? Well, today I'm going to show you how to turn a tortilla into a crepe. But first, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Alright, so let me show you how this is done. So first, I took a hot skillet, and it's on low, and I sprayed it with a little bit of Pam, and then while the skillet is still kind of doing its thing, evenly heating and everything, I took 2 eggs and a half a cup of milk and a dash of seasoning. So I put a little seasoning salt, put salt and pepper, and I put those in a separate container, and well, the same container, but I'll show you what I mean by separate. And you want to blend them together. Alright, so we're blending and we're blending. Alright, so now you want to take a plate and make sure it has sides, or if you have a very big shallow bowl, you can use that too. But I use this plate that has sides. Alright, and you see why. So, I went ahead and poured my egg mixture in there. And I'm going to start flipping my tortilla around in this mixture and let it soak for a minute or so. Actually, the more you soak it, the better, but I wouldn't want it too much, but you know, soaking it for at least 2-3 minutes is perfect. Alright, so now that we have it soaked, we're going to take it over to our skillet. Now, I will say, make sure your tortilla will fit into your skillet, because I know I have different size skillets. Alright, and so I used the largest one. I could have used a smaller one, but just make sure your tortilla will fit into that skillet. Alright, so here's my skillet, and you're going to see that it doesn't take long to cook them. Alright, so you just put it in there, and now I'm going to go rinse some of that egg off my hand. Alright, so it cooked about 30 seconds on this side. Alright, it does not take long at all. Alright, now we're going to flip it. Just like that. And look at that. Doesn't that look like a crepe? Or a crepe? Alright, so like I said, it only takes about 30 seconds on each side. We're going to put it onto our plate to wait. I'm only making 2 today, but from what I could tell, you could probably make 6 to 8 crepes with what I did. Alright. And then what I did with the extra mixture was I just scrambled it. If it's not, like if it's too much liquid, just add another egg and then scramble it. Alright, so there's my second crepe. And like I said, it does not take long at all to cook these. So today I'm making a savory dish. You could make this sweet and put like cream cheese and strawberries inside. It's up to you. But here's how I decided to work with it today. So I took my tortilla crepe and I kind of did that TikTok hack. And so where you cut that little bit, that little strip, and then I put a little cream cheese. And so this is going to be kind of like a caprese today. So I put the cream cheese on there, or you could use regular cheese. It's up to you. And then I put tomatoes on there. And then a bit of fresh basil. I'm going to tell you, I did grow this tomato and basil myself. So it makes for a nice little thing when you grow it yourself. Alright, so now I'm going to fold it. And there we go. There's our crepe. So one more time, double speed. And while you're watching this, make sure to subscribe, like, share, stick around and watch more videos. And I will see you next time. Take care, you all. And try this.